Another exciting tutorial na naman ang handog ng inyong lingkod. I'm Wei and welcome to my channel. Cut off your boring posters or ads or videos, whatever it is, this Canva animation tutorial can bring your design to life. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends to watch and learn together. Let's dive into creating animation using Canva. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator, I guide you through the process step by step. Starting building your animation in Canva. Open Canva and create a new design. Add your elements like text, images, shapes to the canvas. Arrange them in the order that you want them to appear in your animation. Add elements to your animation. Click on the animation tab on the top right corner of the editor. Select elements that you want to animate. Click the Add Animation Effect button. Choose from various animation effects available. Before I continue, I would like to invite you to visit my Raket.ph shop. I put the link below where you can purchase Canva templates that I created and layout services such as invitation and tarpaulin layout. Suggestions and feedback are always welcome in the comment section below. Let's continue to adjust animation settings. Customize the animation duration, delay, and easing. Preview your animation to ensure it looks just right. Add music to the animation. If you are using Canva Pro, take advantage of exclusive media and feature. Or you may click the link below to for a 45-day Canva Pro free trial, even if you're on the free plan. Add music or sound effects to enhance your animation. Download your video from Canva. Once you're satisfied, click the download button. Choose the appropriate format, MP4, GIF, etc. Share your animation on social media, presentation, or whatever you'd like. Remember, creativity knows bounds. Have fun crafting stunning animation with Canva. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share this with your friends. Subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell button to be always updated on my new video upload. A short disclaimer, this video is not a Canva sponsored. I'm Wei. Ciao.